Do you stand or walk with a slouched posture? If so, this is going to be the video for you. Now, this exercise is called standing forward bend. It's pretty simple. You don't need any equipment. You just need to make sure that you've got the proper postural form when doing it, and you need to be consistent. If you combine this with a full postural therapy menu, like you can find all over my channel, you can really start to fix that slouch posture and start feeling better. Get rid of some of that chronic pain, right? Now, let's get into the instructions. Instructions for the standing forward bend exercise. With standing forward bend, I'm going to start facing the camera so you can see how my feet are situated. It's really important that you get your big toes angled in about 5 to 10 degrees. Or in other words, getting this line between your kind of middle toes here pointing straight ahead. And we don't want to be standing with everted feet like this because that is going to contract your hip flexors. We don't want your feet pointing too far in either because that is going to start engaging your adductors and your muscles that rotate your femurs rather than getting those hip flexors activated with this forward foot position. Now, from here, the stretch is fairly simple. We're going to put our hands behind this arch in our lower back. Now this is a crucial thing because it's going to help maintain the natural S-curve of the spine. From here, we're just going to bend forward. Now, what am I not doing? I'm not pushing my butt out to stand forward, right? I am bending at the hips to whatever degree I can. And look at what happens if I don't have my hands in this position. I do this, and all of a sudden, I get an accentuated curve in my lower back. I lose that proper S-curve in my spine. We are really keeping the upper body just as if we were in a standing position, in a proper posture, and then bending forward from here. It's not a competition to see how low you can go. It's all about maintaining proper form. If I have to stick my butt out to try to get further down, that's not right. It's all about trying to keep that butt and your hips, really keeping your hips directly above your knees and just getting that bend looking straight ahead. So if all you can do without pushing your butt back, even when I look, I'm pushing my butt back a bit, so I was going too far. So I mean, if all you can do is right here without letting that your hips travel either forward or behind your knees, that's fine. If you can go further, that's fine too. If all you can do is this, that's where you start. You know, it's all about doing the stretch properly. It's not about how far you can go, or at least not initially. If you do this consistently, you'll be able to do this and get more benefit as you go over time.